Some things are just worth saying twice. So I put this in the section on make view, Flask make view. I also put this in the core ideas, and that is that when you write a Flask make view, and then you're going to give some kind of dotted name. So you're going to say Flask make view, and then here you're going to type something with dots. So either you're going to have post, and then the comments on those, and you want to list all of them. So index, something like that. It's very often hard to remember whether the package is using dot notation, kind of like an ORM, object relational mapping, or is I want this all in folder structure, so do I do it that way? Or do I do it with lowercase, or maybe these need to be uppercase? And then maybe you came back and you're like, no, I just want the index, but you forgot to hit the backspace and you ended up with 2 dots. So to make life easy, I did some normalization so that no matter what you put in, I'm going to convert it to what I need, and hopefully you'll end up getting exactly what you anticipated. So just to tell you what the normalization was that I did, you're allowed upper or lower cases anywhere you want, and it's going to always bring things back down to lowercase. If you're thinking in folder structures and you use slashes, or if you're thinking object relation mappings and you use dots, it's gonna convert slashes to dots. If you want to keep words together, like shopping list, because it's not a shopping object and then a list object, it's a shopping list object, then you can use either minuses or underscores. The framework, the code behind it is all using underscores, and that's what everything's converted to. But if you want to use minuses, because in your head that just makes more sense, by all means, use that. And then if you do the thing I just mentioned where you put too many dots in, it will consolidate those. So that's just a bit of cleanup just on Flask make view. I also mentioned that in the core ideas, but it's worth saying again.